Hey KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you want to see this look how I got these matte nails, then keep watching.
Tell when you are buying new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
First, I'm gonna start by using the emery board to file my nails, making sure they're smooth and in shape. I did this look on Thanksgiving. Actually, I was rushing because I did make an appointment to go do my nails, so I had to find something really fast to do, and this came up. Like, I wasn't even thinking about this, and this idea came up. I said I'm gonna try it for the first time, and also I'm gonna record it, so this is what I'm doing now. Now I'm gonna be using these medium length press-on nails. Amazing gel look by the brand Kiss. I got these nails from Walgreens. It comes 28 nails. Also, I'm gonna be using this Kiss nail glue. I also got this nail glue from Walgreens as well. In the pack, the nails are matte, chrome, and glitter. And the shapes are already coffin shape. Can you believe that? Save money and time using press-on nails. Trust me, they still look realistic, like you got your nails done. As you can see, it already came with nail glue. I didn't even know that. It also came with an emery board and this little stick thingy that looks like a toothpick to clean the sides of your nail. Before I start applying the nails, I'm gonna measure each nail to make sure I find the right size. As you can see, that one is a little too big. Now I found the right size. The good thing about these nails is that each nail comes with a number on it. So when you find the right size for one hand, you can just easily look at the numbers and find the sizes for the next hand, and it saves time, and that's a plus. On each nails, I'm just gonna be doing 2 drops of the glue because you don't want it to be messy. Once you press the nail on your nails, you don't want to see the glue coming out at each side of the nails. So 2 drops is enough, and then after doing that, you just apply the nail and hold it for 10 seconds. The package says 5 seconds, but I do 10 seconds to, you just want to make sure it's on. I'm just gonna keep doing the same procedure for each nail, and if you get any mess around the nail with the glue, you can always use that stick thingy. I don't know what it's called, and I already threw away the package as I'm doing this voiceover. Yes, you can use that to clean around it, and you're good to go. I'm using the emery board to file around the nails just to get it a little more smooth. You don't want to do too much filing to lose the shape. So this is the final look. These press-on nails are a lifesaver. Who you know get their nails done in less than 10 minutes for $8? I'll wait. I'll wait. I love it. This was just something quick for Thanksgiving. I hope you all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.